Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. There are two important ways in which you can take a car insurance for yourself in our country. Number one is the old school method, which is very much still prominent, which is the offline method of taking a car insurance. And the second one is a pretty cool and an urban method in which you can definitely take up your car insurance, which is the online method. So in this video, we'll try and understand what are the benefits of taking your car insurance online that you can definitely not enjoy once you take up your car insurance offline. So one by one, we'll have a look at all these four major benefits which we'll be discussing in today's video. So without further ado, let's get straight to the point. The number one benefit that you can enjoy over here is the fact that you get an option to choose from multiple insurance companies. Earlier, whenever you go out to buy a car for yourself, it can be a first-hand car or a second-hand car. Earlier, we used to have this tendency that we need to always choose the company which the car vendor is giving us or is providing us. For example, if at all you go to a Tata showroom, for example, and they say that, you know what, we have an insurance tie-up with HDFC or maybe any other company like that. So you have to take an insurance from that particular company irrespective of whether you like it or not, because it's part of the package. And they will definitely sell it to you stating that this is a very lucrative deal for you, you should definitely take it up. And often when we do not have done our research properly, we end up choosing the company which the car vendor is giving us, and we end up regretting it later because we have not done our research properly. We don't know the pros and cons of that particular company, and often we end up burning our toes and fingers. But now, since you have an option of choosing from the online mechanism, online options that are available right now, it's as simple and as easy as ordering food online. You can just go through their different kinds of rates, different kinds of premium options, their claim settlement ratio, their entire detail is available just on a click of a button. So if at all you are not happy with one particular company, you can always renew it or change it to any other company. So in that way, the control is now on your hand and you are now on a favorable position compared to the companies which used to be in a favorable or a dominating position in the earlier scenarios. The second benefit that you can definitely enjoy over here is the fact that you get affordable premiums. Think from a company's perspective. If at all you are a person who's running an insurance company, then you have to definitely pay for the company's office infrastructure. You'll have to pay for the salary of their employees, the computers, the systems, the electricity, the food, etc., etc. And all these expenses you will definitely have to recover in some or the other way, right? And you have to recover it by charging heavy amount of money to your end customers. But now that this particular cost has been minimized, there is no middleman involved anymore. There is no need to have an office, a dedicated branch office in your respective city, or you don't need to pay for any number of employees to basically have this particular mechanism working. You now automatically have reduced your cost as an organization, which eventually will benefit the end customer because you will not be levying all these additional expenses on their head or on their pocket. So now automatically, if at all you choose any particular insurance online, you definitely as an end user, as a customer, are saving much more compared to the offline mechanism, and that's the reason why you get to choose from affordable premium options which are being offered by all the different kinds of insurance companies that are currently available in our country. The third benefit that you can enjoy over here is the fact that you are saving a lot of your time. Earlier, whenever you used to go out to take an insurance from an offline company, you'll have to probably first visit them, understand what are the documents that they need. In case you are going out to buy a second-hand car, or probably you are going out to renew your document, often they would ask you to bring this document, bring that document, etc., etc., which used to take a lot of your time. First trip, you have to basically go and understand what are the documents that they need. The second trip is when you have to submit this document and you have to wait for their approval. The third trip is when finally that insurance gets approved, and now you can take the final insurance copy and keep it in your car just in case any unforeseen situation happens with you or your car. But now, since this entire process has been minimized and it's just available in a click of a button, you can definitely save a lot of your time, you can save a lot of your fuel, a lot of your energy as well, because all these things can be done by submitting the soft copy online via your phone or your internet, like your laptop or your computer. So basically, you're saving a lot of your time and energy over here compared to the offline mechanism. And last but definitely not the least, the best benefit that you're enjoying over here is the fact that you get to enjoy the advantage of having minimum documentation. Just like the previous point where I told you a scenario where you have to submit the documents and then wait for the approval to happen in case of a renewal also, or in case of applying for the first time also, you have to basically go through an entire process. So now, since you're doing this entire process online, you're saving a lot of your time, you're saving a lot of your energy, and also since you're submitting the documents via soft copy format, you'll not have to basically wait for a long duration duration to get the documents approved, because they also will not have to go through the entire process of verifying the document. Since everything is now available and accessible online, they'll just have to enter the number of your car registration and they'll be easily able to check whether the car is insured or whether the car insurance is done or not. So overall, the entire process has become much more lucid, much more simple, thanks to the technology and thanks to the COVID-19 outbreak. Because earlier, the car insurance or all these kind of processes were also available online, but people were not taking the advantage of all these situations. But because of the current economic and the atmospheric situation that's ongoing in our country right now, people are trying to understand the benefits of doing things online, and that's the reason why the car insurance also has been taken online these days by a lot of consumers and a lot of end customers. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well, so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. And if at all you have any queries, any concerns, any questions about this particular topic, you can leave them in the comment section. And if at all you haven't downloaded the Financial Freedom application, please do download it. The link of our app is provided in the description box. Once you download the application, don't forget to give my name in the promo code. You'll be able to claim a scholarship of rupees 2,000 absolutely free. So until next time, my name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.